Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty Guy. Welcome to today's episode of Decoding Nifty with me. This is the series where we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames every day post the market hour so that we can trade the consecutive day with much more confidence and clarity, right? So in case if you guys like the way I put out the simple trades or explain price action concepts or my setups, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your trading friends, and do not forget to put down anything that you might have to say in the comments box, be it feedback, be it criticism. I am open to everything, right? On that note, we'll start with the video. We'll start with what we had analyzed for today versus what happened in the markets, how we traded that, and then we'll plan for tomorrow, right? Uh, Today was a no trading day for me because nothing happened as per my setup, and that is something I'm very okay with, right? You don't need to trade every day. You just need to be prepared, and if something happens as per your preparation, you can go right ahead and take your trades because you are well prepared. In case nothing happens, there's no way you can sit out of the market because no trade is also a good trade, right? So market opened with a gap up and went into a buying mode without giving us any pullback. Now, uh, we had decided to go long above this particular high. This is what we had marked, and one of the plans was to go high, long above this pullback with above this high with the pullback, right? Now, once again, I would like to elaborate the importance of identifying the right pullback. So, I had explained the same concept in one of the very recent videos, maybe the last 2 to 3 videos. So, this particular red candle, do we consider this as a pullback? I'll just zoom into the candle right again. So, is this red candle a good candle to be considered as a pullback, right? Although the color of the candle is red, but I do not consider this as a pullback candle. The reason simply being this is more of a positive candle. The prices went all the way down, but closed near the opening or near the high of the candle. So this is something which I look as a continuation of this trend and not any pullback. In case if this candle would have closed around here, I would have definitely considered this as a pullback, and any break above this high, I would have taken a long trade. And as you can see, uh, market did not sustain for much longer above this particular high, broke out, got some rejection, went sideways, and gave a drop almost till the day's end, post which the market was completely sideways. There was no price action that could have been traded around here. And anybody who would have taken trades around here, especially in option buying, option sellers, it was a field day to take a trade post 10:30. But option buyers, they would have definitely got trapped around these levels. So today was an ex absolutely no trading day for me. For tomorrow, I'll keep the video extremely short today. Uh, got a lot of packing to do for the upcoming trip, right? I've not even started where the family has finished their packaging, right? For tomorrow, first of all, let us see our support level that this will change because market has definitely created a new high. So we will again use the Fibonacci tool around here. Just see how we are changing and planning everything. So yesterday is from this low till this high, this was a zero point 0.5 to 6.618 zone, which was there. And with today's new high, which is being created in the market, we have to move this thing further up, right? And this will be the new support zone for us for tomorrow's trading. We'll delete this line. This is of no use for us for tomorrow's trading. And I will not look at shorting this particular market below today's low. So yes, the first and most simple trade is around this low with a pullback. We break down below today's low, and with a pullback, we can take a short. The first target should be around these levels in case if we get a, say for example, we get a gap down opening, market will remain volatile for some time. If it breaks down below this, gives us a nice good pullback, and then breaks the low, we will enter a short trade with this being our first target. What if market opens with a very big gap up? Say, for example, markets open down below this zone and then starts tumbling down. So this is the place where we will look at identifying or look at good support to take a trade on the long side, right? So this is what we will plan in case of a very big gap down. Uh, what if market opens flat and goes up? So there's this trend line which is there. If you just join these two highs, right? And we can create a long position above the breakout of this particular last swing high, which is there again with a pullback. If market opens with a very big gap up, we'll wait for it to maybe stabilize, form some price action, and then we will look for a trade. In case if market opens with a gap up above today's high, right, of 25,074 and maybe around these levels, we will look for a retest, and I'll just draw it for you guys around here. So one of the scenarios can be market opens with a big gap up, and in that case, we will look at markets to come down and form some positive price action around day's high, and then we'll take a trade on the long side. So this is the very simple plan based on the various opening scenarios and opening range. Tomorrow, because today was big, if we look at the price action on a daily time frame, I'll not call this doji, but this is a positive biased candle. Uh, but I'll see the plan we have already made is quite simple, and I think we'll just stick to that, and we'll plan more based on the price action as and when that happens in the live market. All right, guys. So this is all from my side for today. I will see you guys again tomorrow post the market, and we'll take it ahead from there. So yeah, that's it from my side. This is your Nifty Guy signing off. Cheers and have a good day. Thank you so much.